We're at the Springhill Suites by Marriott in Forest Park, Ohio. We're going to take a room tour in room 118. Okay. We have your lights. See, there are no lights here. And we have your grips or backpacks and luggage. That door goes into the closet and the bathroom. We'll show you in a little bit. And this right here is a king size bed. And here is a queen size bed. Very, very cool. Very, very, very nice. Got a pillow and blanket. We have your nightstand with the lamp, with the good book and the phone book, the Holy Bible. And over here is a flat screen TV with your remote, with your desk, mirror. Hello. And over here we have your refrigerator and freezer, and we have your microwave or safe. They're very clean. And over here we have your air conditioning unit. They're very, very clean. The freezer, the freezing, a little bit there. And we have your view of the city of Cincinnati, which is up there, the Cincinnati metropolitan area. Alright, it's very nighttime. And let's go check out the closet. This right here is the standard hotel closet. With your iron board, with your iron, with your hangers. Alright, let's close this up. Now we'll open this door up. This right here is the standard hotel bathroom. Standard hotel bathroom. Over here is a sink. Here's your mirror. Hello. Hot, cold. There are the pipes. They're very clean. Here's a toilet. Nice button for flushing. Very, very clean. Over here's a bathtub with your shower head. Hot, cold. Oh, looking nice for shower head. Cold, hot. Alright, let's close this up. Alright, let's take one more look at the room. Because it's the last hotel room during the Cincinnati road trip. Because my battery is going to be almost to die soon. Nice. Let's take one more look at the room. John, what do you think of this hotel room? It's pretty nice. It's like one over to the Quality Inn with the A-Bell elevator. Right across to the Cincinnati suburb of Cincinnati area, metropolitan area. Next to the restaurant. With so that being said, thank you for watching, and that is all.